How much is an LG? Smart TV 55 inches. A 55-inch LG Smart TV is a popular choice for those looking for a larger screen with smart features at an affordable price. The cost of a 55-inch LG Smart TV varies based on resolution, display technology, and additional features such as AI-powered processing, HDR support, and higher refresh rates. 1. Price range of LG 55-inch Smart TVs. The price of a 55-inch LG Smart TV typically falls within the following range. Basic Full HD models, priced between $350 to $500. 4K UHD models, usually range from $500 to $900. Premium models, NanoCell, QLED, OLED. High-end models with better processing, refresh rates, and AI-enhanced picture quality may cost between $900 to $2,000. 2. Different LG 55-inch Smart TV models and their pricing. LG offers several models in the 55-inch category. LG UHD Smart TV, 55UQ7570, 55UQ9000. 4 KUHD models with HDR and WebOS smart features. Priced between $500 to $700. Smart TV, 55 Nano 75, 55 Nano 80. Mid-range models with enhanced color accuracy and AI-powered processing, priced from $700 to $1,000. LG QNED, 55 QNED 80, 55 QNED 85. Higher-end models with quantum dot and mini LED technology, priced from $900 to $1,500. LG OLED, 55A2, 55B2, 55C2, 55G2. Premium OLED models with self-lit pixels, Dolby Vision, and perfect black levels, priced from $1,200 to $2,000 price. Several factors impact the price of a 55-inch LG Smart TV. Resolution, 4K UHD models cost more than full HD models. Smart features, TVs with WebOS, voice control, and AI processing are priced higher. HDR and display technology, models with Dolby Vision HDR10 and NanoCell or QNED technology have better picture quality but cost more. Refresh rate. Higher refresh rates, 120 Hz, improve motion clarity and gaming performance, increasing the price. 4th, best time to buy for maximum savings. To get the best deal on an LG 55-inch Smart TV, consider shopping during holiday sales, Black Friday, Cyber Monday, and other seasonal promotions offer major discounts. Clearance events. Older models are often reduced in price when newer versions are released. Retailer-specific promotions. Some stores offer bundle deals, financing options, or discounts on accessories. A 55-inch LG Smart TV provides an excellent mix of size, features, and affordability. By comparing models and waiting for sales events, you can find the best TV for your entertainment needs at a great price.